Welcome to Keysight Measurement Analytics. To use the Measurement Analytics application, your company should have a private workspace on the Keysight Cloud or an on-premises deployment. The Keysight Cloud features roles, role-based sharing, and collaboration. Let's select a workspace and log in. Once you're logged in, you will be able to choose from multiple applications and also manage your Keysight account. Select Measurement Analytics to launch the Keysight Measurement Analytics application. Keysight Measurement Analytics offers multiple paths to import data. Datasets can be pushed from PathWave Test Automation or any test automation software through an API, accessed from a Keysight Cloud database, or imported from an external source as a CSV file. Let's open a shared project. Opening the Projects pull-down displays a Project Select dialog. You can choose an active project from the list presented. Projects contain datasets that have been shared with you or ones you have imported yourself. Let's select a project and get started. Projects contain one or more datasets. Select a dataset to view its contents. Selecting a dataset brings up a dashboard with tabs for measurements, feature analysis, and configuration. Measurements supports viewing data tables, adding visualizations, filtering and splitting data, running the Explain tool, and other functions. You can review dataset contents in spreadsheet format by selecting Show Table from the Visualization tool. You can use the Configuration tab to tag data columns as properties or measurements, change data types and set units, establish upper and lower bounds, and identify dataset baselines. Let's plot a jitter distribution histogram. Open the Visualization tool. Click Add Histogram. Specify the axes, and voila! Let's also split the chart data by ASIC version. Note that for each chart, you can resize and zoom, change the chart type, select portions of the chart, create bins, and other customizations. Gaining actionable insights benefits from a guided workflow. The Keysight Measurement Analytics tool lets you drill down to run with a distribution scan. Is data behaving as expected? Derive median, minimum, maximum, and deviation values, and highlight outliers. Start by opening the Feature Analysis tab. Click Scan to establish normal characteristics. When the scan is complete, you will see a listing of possible and confirmed normal characteristics. Clicking on the Details button for any of the identified characteristics creates multiple visualizations showing distribution, quantile-quantile plot, skewness, and kurtosis, with explanations for each. Next, let's scan to confirm normal distribution and detect outliers. Default outlier detection looks for data beyond a standard deviation of 3 from the mean. The tool automatically pre-selects outliers. We can plot those outliers with a single click. The Measurement Analytics tools can also explain location and origin of those outliers, such as a test station, an operator, other test metadata, with a rule-based association machine learning algorithm. Analytics dashboards are a powerful interactive visualization tool for discovering trends and correlation in datasets. You can focus on key sections of charted data by selecting Data of Interest with the mouse. A new chart will appear in your dashboard with just the data and scope selected. The datasets explored so far have contained only scalar data, but many instruments deliver waveforms and continuous results sets. Keysight Measurement Analytics can also handle rich vector data, for example, from RF test equipment, including data from multiple DUTs and instruments. This scatter chart combines data for 100 DUTs, tested over a range of 0 to 10 GHz. We can gain some additional clarity by splitting the results by DUT and by color. With rich vector data, you can arrive at actionable results by splitting charts by device count, setting limits for pass and fail, arriving at yield using pass-fail information. Here we're performing a margin analysis for results in the 3 to 7 GHz range. Setting our upper and lower limits, we arrive at an actual yield value, in this case, just below 53%. Keysight Measurement Analytics supports translation of yield data into product specs. Devices with higher performance, like RF chipsets, possess higher value in the target marketplace. Spec Advisor helps you arrive at specifications for the device frequency bands represented in a rich dataset. We can also work in the opposite direction, from yield to spec, using Spec Advisor. Here, we ran Spec Advisor with a target yield of 75%. With that target, Spec Advisor calculated specs needed to achieve that yield level. Thank you for attending our Keysight Measurement Analytics demo. This demonstration has shown how Keysight Measurement Analytics provides a platform for managing, displaying, and analyzing lab and production line data with actionable results. Whether your testing organization comprises a handful of individuals or hundreds of testers, Keysight Measurement Analytics can scale to meet your requirements and deliver real commercial value. Contact Keysight Sales today for a hands-on evaluation.